Hello, this is Lane Cooper with Cooper Design Build. For over 30 years, Cooper Design Build has developed the design build process that guides our clients seamlessly from design through construction. Our first step is feasibility. It is a design agreement. We call it feasibility because we want to match up your design with your budget. We're going to put a budget together. And what we're looking for is, does the budget meet your expectations to the design that you love? And so that's the first thing we're going to do. That's why we call it feasibility. Once we know that, we're going to put together what's called a pre-construction agreement. It's our next step. This is where we're going to agree to build together. We're going to put some non-refundable money down at that time. And this is really where all the heavy lifting comes in. It's where we're going to have two pieces to our process. The first phase is we're going to take the design plans that we've created and we're going to move them through a process to make them building drawings. While that's all happening, you're meeting with our interior designers to go through the selection process. That's the fun stuff, right? We're going to be looking at countertops and cabinetry. We're going to tie all the elements together, everything from cabinet knobs to tile selections. There's a process we go through. It's critically important. We'll select it, we'll budget it, and then we'll approve it. We'll keep doing that until everything is understood. While that's happening, we're also going to be considering about price. We started out with an allowance budget at pre-construction. As we go through, there are many options that you might be considering. We're going to put those down so you can see what those options are. We're also going to be reconciling the original budget. So let's say we had a tile budget and now you've done a selection of your tile. We're going to reconcile that, give you the actual price. So you're going to be in control of the price all the way through this process. So when we're all done, we call it a page turn so that we walk through the designs, the details, the specifications and price, and we get your approval for that. In the construction phase, we'll be meeting with you at least once a week, discussing what we did the week before, what we're going to be doing the next week, and keeping an eye on the time of completion dates. After the project is complete and you move in, we'll still be here. We offer a very complete warranty. So if there's ever any concern or issue, we'll be here for you throughout the entire warranty period. It's really, really important to us that you're super satisfied with your project for many, many years to come. You know, it's interesting because most of our clients don't think about process, but it's the backbone of what creates an opportunity for us to succeed. Over the years, we have developed a series of clear expectations of both design, quality, timeline, and budget. When all those things come together, we know that our project is going to be successful.